Good morning, ladies and gents. I hope you're doing well. Welcome back into another video. Tamadoge is what we're going to explore today. We've got some crazy bullish news and I'm very excited to announce to you what this is. So welcome to the Tamaverse. If you're new here, if you're a Tamadoge supporter, you're part of the Tamadoge army, make sure you smash that subscribe button as well. Leave a comment down below and say hello so we can see what's going on here. I mean, I found this awesome article. Tamadoge pre-sale hits $3.3 million ahead of the next price rise, and this is crazy because look at this. I mean, this article was written 2 days ago, and if we look at the pre-sale right now, we're already at $3.8 million, so it's raising roughly $250,000 a day at the moment. That is just crazy traction. Lots of hype is being generated around this project. So the Tamadoge meme coin play to earn Juggernaut Games project keeps on rolling. The second tranche of its pre-sale has sold out fast. 100 million tokens were sold out at the rate of 1 USDT to 80 TAMA before the price rose to 66.7 TAMA for the current tranche that has just started. So things are moving quick, guys. Like seriously, it's looking really good. They've just updated the roadmap as well, where there's a pet store coming in Q4 2022, and they're seeking metaverse partnerships in Q1 2023. And in addition to this, this is the real bullish bit of news I want to share with you guys because it's very, very important to the whole Tamadoge journey, and it's going to be crucial for getting that organic volume come in. And it's the first, look at this, the first centralized exchange announcement. It's already been made and it's still in a pre-sale. So getting in at this level, or getting in now, is, in my opinion, not financial advice of course, but it's a really, really good entry level. Because if we look, for example, another coin that was listed on LBank recently, Lucky Block, we can see as soon as that V2 ERC20 version went up, the price went crazy. So we could see a similar correlation here, with Tamadoge once it does get launched on that centralized exchange. So this is really, really exciting to see, in my opinion here. So maybe there's going to be more to follow in the pipeline. So LBank will list Tamadoge soon. Please refer to subsequent announcements for details about Tamadoge. TAMA is the gateway token of the Tamaverse. Tamadoge will give everyone the ability to mint the Doges they want to, and will allow users to breed, train and battle their Tamadoge NFTs to top the leaderboard every single month. So I'm very excited about this play to earn dog themed meme coin. It's got utility, it's deflationary, it's on the ERC20 network, and there's just so much to be bullish about with the Tamaverse. So welcome on board, Tamadoge. Gonna be, in my opinion, one of the next top 10 meme coins, and I do think this has a potential for a 10 to 100x, right, from the floor price here, because low market cap has a big potential to hit $100+ million. So this is what's going on at the moment. The roadmap, there has been an update, so let's kind of talk about the journey. What can you expect from Tamadoge team? What can this project offer you over the next year or so? So we can see here's the roadmap. It looks pretty good so far. Q4 2022, we'll be entering that soon. Pre-sale launch of the Tamadoge token, website launch, full security audit, influencer marketing drive. So they've started on a few of those things already, which is good to see. Leading into Q1 2023, Tamadoge NFT pet store will open. We're going to see initial centralized exchange listings. Not sure which ones. It could be things like, Qcoin, Bybit. There's so many more, like MEXC. I guess it's going to be some of the tier 2, tier 3. Of course, it's hard to gauge whether something's going to launch on Binance or something. Tamadoge battling leaderboard. There's going to be play to earn leaderboard and giveaways, regular marketing events. Leading into Q2 2023, we're going to see exploring partnerships with established metaverse projects, more centralized exchange listings, additional play to earn giveaways. Q2, so summer of 2023, more CEX listings. Again, large focus on CEX partnerships. TAMA aiming to be on all main exchanges. So that would be really, really hyper bullish. I mean, look at things like Shiba, Doge, they're already listed on some of the major exchanges. I do vision that Tamadoge will be one of the ones that also can get itself listed with enough traction and volume and liquidity, right? So Q3 2023, this is like looking a year ahead now. Tamadoge launch, a collection of Tamadoge play to earn arcade games, physical Tamadoge rewards, as well as token prizes. So that's quite nice to see as well. And then leading into the end of next year, so the winter of 2023, we're going to see Tamadoge Pets. Launch of the Tamadoge AR app, allowing you to play with your Tamadoge pet, which is quite exciting, to be honest. So let's just have a little look at some other things. What's going on? Pre-sale, doing really cool. Now I have refreshed this for a few minutes. It's probably been about 10 minutes. So 3.859 million. Let's see what happens. Are we going to get to 6? 3.867. So in 10 minutes, we've seen about $8,000 come in already. We're getting close to the next level where we're going to go to the next tranche at 4.75. That means 1 USDT will be 57.14 Tamadoge. So as the team is hitting these targets, what it means is you're getting less Tamadoge per dollar that you spend. So if you want the most effective unit cost, if you want to get more TAMA for your dollar, basically, it's good to get into this as early as possible. And I will leave all the links for this Tamadoge project down below so you can explore the social pages, go say hello to them in their Discord, Telegram. If you've got any questions for the team, do go and ask them. So I'm going to leave everything for you down below in the comments, everything you need to know, including the white paper if you want to do some of your own research. Of course, it's not financial advice. So what else is there? They've got 100k giveaway, guys. Free money just for doing some easy social tasks. Already 10,000 entries here, 24 days left to go. This one here for the $100,000 giveaway, you do need to hold $100 worth of Tamadoge. You can buy that with Ethereum, you can buy it with fiat currencies or simply USDT across the MetaMask Trust wallet connected to your Ethereum mainnet. That's really easy to do. Or if you want to do this one where you don't have to hold any, all you got to do is just basically help them with a few social tasks, sharing some social pages, just probably things you do with your everyday life anyway. And 8 days left to go on that one, so you could potentially win some free cryptocurrency. Maybe it's Tamadoge, I'm not 100% sure, but just by doing some very simple things socially. So check that out as well. I'm super bullish on this, like I say. Tamadoge already got 44.3k followers, and yeah, like I say, centralized exchanges is a massive focus for them. We can see 20 minutes ago, TAMA coming to the L-Bank exchange soon. So check out the Twitter, check out the Discord, check out the Telegram. Maybe you like the idea of Tamadoge. Maybe you're a bit bored of seeing the other projects like Dogecoin or Floki or Hoge, and you just want to explore something new. You want to kind of venture into a more high-risk, high-reward area, or kind of prosper within a new community that has not yet formed. Because as we know, a lot of value with meme coins isn't just the utility. They're fun, you know, they're community based, and I really like everything they're doing right now and how transparent they are, how they're communicating with the audience. You can see they're getting a lot of engagement over here. So Tamadoge for me is one of the best projects to buy right now. In my opinion, it's one of the hottest coins that you can buy right now. It's also one of the best pre-sales in existence in the whole crypto world right now. So check it out. Let's see what's going to happen. In my opinion, it's going to be really, really good. So Tamadoge Army, let's see what happens. See you soon, guys. Bye now.